By 2080, childbirth is obsolete. No pain, no risk, no uncertainty. The miracle of life, once a defining experience of humanity, has been optimized out of existence. Artificial wombs, synthetic gestation chambers, and genetic tailoring have replaced the natural process of pregnancy. At first, it was a medical marvel, an option for those who struggled to conceive, a safeguard for high-risk pregnancies. But over time, it became the default. Why endure months of discomfort, the risk of complications, the unpredictability of labor, when a machine can create life with precision? Why subject oneself to sacrifice when technology can ensure a flawless, painless birth? Every trait can be selected: health, intelligence, even personality, without the burden of genetic lottery or maternal strain. At first, mothers still existed. They carried their children, nurtured them in their wombs. Then, fewer did, until none remained. Now, children enter the world untouched by the warmth of a mother's body. They do not hear a heartbeat from within, feel the rise and fall of breath, know the deep connection that once began before birth itself. And what of the mothers, those who remember? They watch a world where the essence of motherhood has been digitized, streamlined, and stripped of the sacrifice that once made it sacred. A few still resist. They hold on to stories of swollen bellies, midnight kicks, the ache of childbirth, the bond forged through suffering and love. They whisper to the unborn, even if no one listens. As the last mother breathes through her final labor, clutching her newborn to her chest, feeling the weight, the heat, the rawness of life itself, one question lingers. If no heartbeat welcomes you, and no warmth embraces you, are you born or merely made?